Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you always on the hunt for toys that your little one enjoys using, don't make a mess, but keep their attention span for a long time? This thing is so cool. My daughter loves it. She is almost 16 months, and this toy by Melissa and Doug, Water Wow, is so cool. So it lets them learn how to paint without any mess. Amazing, because my other kids had to learn how to paint, and it was messy. How it works is it comes with this little paintbrush, and you fill it up with water, okay? And you screw it in a little paintbrush, and then there's different pictures of vehicles, and your little one can paint, and the picture appears with all the colors. So cool. So then this will dry and turn white again, and you can reuse it. So this is perfect for in the car because it will keep their attention. It teaches fine motor skills. Like, there are so many benefits to this thing. I'm so happy about it. It also, when they get a little older, it has like a search and find. So once they color the picture in, it reveals additional pictures, and they can find these in the picture after it's painted. So it has 4 different pictures you can paint. I enjoy doing this. It's kind of fun and very soothing. So I love this for my daughter. I know you'll love it for your little one too. And that's our point of view.